Hello everyone, today I have somebody special with us who's very inspiring. Her name is Supriya. She is a chartered accountant and a mother of 2 kids. She has completed 3 levels of CFP certification with us and here is her journey. So let's hear from her what's her journey of CFP with FPA like.
So when I say FPA or CFP, it is like an upbringing of my left out career, I can say, because after a long time I started re-preparing or again studying in my life, educational academics, I can say. And CFP is something which changed my life because I am a chartered accountant, and I was previously, when took up this CFP, was I had not cleared CA and was feeling that I have lost something and I'm a failure. But coming to CFP, and when I started clearing each module, each specialist certificates, when I started acquiring, I felt really motivated and I thought, okay, I have not lost everything in life, I have everything in life back, I said. So that is how FPA and CFP has motivated me to get that confidence in me again, and I'm very happy for that. So CFP is something which gave me my academic back.
Let's hear some tips of how did she manage her studies with all the other responsibilities.
Okay, so there would be many people like me, karna chahte hain in life too. They want to achieve so many things, but there are always commitments for ladies, right? We are married and then kids and the other commitments, so on and so on. The commitments never end. But be sure to have that focused mind when you sit for study. Give some 2 hours out of your whole 24 hours. Bachon ko sula do, and whatever you want to do, you just do it for some 2 hours, but give the 100% dedication. And this dedication can be given only when FPA people, such people can support you. Because in A to Z, mein agar A, B, C, D, if you don't know, then you can't reach to Z. And that is how FPA has helped me with ABCD, where I am Z today. So A to Z you can do it only when you give some dedication and the right guidance like FPA. And this is the first tip for all those who are like me. And never lose hope in life. Everything will be in place. Just have some patience. Age is no bar all the time. But be dedicated. That is all is required. And thanks to FPA. Thanks a lot to FPA again.
Let's find out how did FPA and CFP certification help her in her career.
So anyone's dream in life would be, getting into a big MNC, having a handful of salary and living a king life. So that happened with me once I started clearing all of the CFP modules. For example, after the very first module, I got a call from JP Morgan's, and many other companies started calling me once I wrote that CFP first module is done, second, and so on in my resume. And finally, now I'm placed in GE, one of the biggest multinational company you can say. So I work for GE now as a financial planning and analysis lead. And this is how CFP has framed, or you can say shaped my career so far. And how I did this is all my support, all the support from my family, especially my mother. I want to thank her a lot. And my kids, being married with 2 kids is really difficult to dedicate time towards study. But CFP modules which are posted in the LMSC portal, right? In that portal, and also the books what they sent to the home for practice and the mock tests, all of this helped a lot to, it was really a cakewalk for me to clear the exams. So the guidance what we get from FPA is tremendous. It is like, how much ever we thank is, it's not enough, seriously. So that is how I am today, a successful FPA lead in a bigger company, GE.
If you are a chartered accountant, if you're a woman with family responsibilities, if you're a student, anybody and everybody will benefit from this certification, which is CFP. So reach out to us today and we will be very happy to help you in your CFP certification journey.